Now, how the blockchain will help in this situation when we talk about aggregating data, it's exactly what I thought about, is the data itself cannot be modified. This is one thing about the blockchain. And blockchain is a software. Let's start with this. It is not a black box. It is not hardware. It's a software. And it's a very small number of lines for the software. It's not very hard to learn. It's just the implementation has to be done in a very careful way. Once I enter the data into using the blockchain as my interface here, and I enter it into the computer, copy of this data will be saved on 1,000 nodes. I will decide on that. So there will be copies there. It's like that list we talk about it for the 100 people there. Nobody can change it. If one of the computers try to change one of it, the sync mechanism will come and check and say, your data is different from the other 999, so you're out. So you cannot, you have to go and do something called 51% attack, which means you have to go and change the information in 51% of the number of the computers who have this data. And usually they are geographically separated. So they have one in California, one in New York, one, and they don't know, they cannot read the data, those nodes, they have them encrypted. But they have the ability of confirming that the data is correct. If you add a new information, they will confirm it, and you have this confirmation among all those nodes. So the decentralization is the key thing here. And the hacking process for this, we can discover it right away. If somebody trying to get into the system, the first 3 or 5 nodes, then we will figure out this one right away. So this is blockchain.